Go ahead. You're good. Oh, hell yeah. You're good.
Let me just double check.
I drink my love deep on my feet, leaves me in. Watch them grow.
Hey, what's up, guys? So we've already started this project earlier on today. We removed the cold air intake, stack cold air intake, which is from Z1, which, by the way, you guys can purchase in the link in the description below. And we basically started looking at what else to remove in order to get the motor out as clean as possible. So right now, me and Edward at Auto Revive, here we're looking at the exhaust. We're looking at what part of the exhaust we can go ahead and take out, so seamlessly we can remove the motor and drop it down and be able to finish it. This is just all in day one. So we're looking at the drive shaft as well, and we're looking at any other meticulous parts we need to get out the way, so that way this motor can come out as safe as possible and as quick as possible. All right, guys, enjoy. Alright guys, so we're going to be removing the fluids off of this thing so that way we can drop the motor. Edward's over here with AC what? What?
We're sucking out all the freon with this giant AC machine.
That's right.
Yeah.
And guys, we'll probably be doing a raffle, a giveaway, a few giveaways here. So if you're interested in owning your own bash bar, 350Z bash bar, which will fit on any 350Z, see this bolt-on bash bar, we're raffling off tickets to give this bash bar away. $20 entry. Think about it, guys. You can have your own bash bar, and it bolts right up to where your bumper used to be. Do it. Do it. Still removing some fluid from the Z. Drain it from the coolant. 9 wine coolant.
Was that some water wetter?
Huh?
What would you have in there?
The pure coolant, and then mixed with some other 50/50. I took care of this bitch, and she still fucked me up. Literally.
Better than the guy that was cruising. With cruise control.
Jesus.
And blew the hole in the motor. You're the one that sent me that.
Yeah. Did I send you the one of the dude that towed his Z with his Camry?
What?
Bruh, that shit was crazy. He towed his Z with his Camry straight to Z1 Motorsports.
Dang. For what, a swap?
Huh?
Is he getting a swap now?
I forgot what he was getting done to it. I went up there and I saw it. I was like, this dude just pulled in his Z with a Camry. It's the same color as my Z.
Dang.
It's like, oh shit, this dude is on some another level. Shit. Hey kids, you want to learn how to make your car blow a motor? That's simple. Buy a VQ35DE and drive it. You can drift it, track it, or daily drive it. Eventually that motor will blow.
Like, it don't matter what you do.
Dude, I'm still fascinated by the dudes that drive their Z until 255,000 miles. I didn't think it was even possible to go over 200,000 miles in the Z.
Yeah, usually they get about 150, 160, and then...
Yeah, it's done.
Yeah.
These dudes grandma their shit and still make it to 255. I was like, oh shit.
I don't know how to do it.
I'm like, bro, that's pretty impressive. I'm like, well, you better not go get it dynoed anytime soon. It will blow right on that shit.
Blow right up. See how much junk is inside your oil.
Let's see how much metal shavings from the knocking.
That feels really rough coming. Whoa.
Oh, I saw some gray. Oh shit, look at the metal.
Yeah.
Yup. Sir, that shit is completely blown.
Yeah.
Hold on, I gotta take a picture of it with the phone. That is amazing. Look at that. That's what happens when you have rod knock.
Yeah.
Jeez. Metal shavings just dripping out of oil. Beautiful. Just effing beautiful.
Yeah, I could feel it inside
You
the
can
oil.
see it. Goodbye VQ 35DE. And a big fat fuck you. Jeez. That's ridiculous. Woo! Alright guys, so right here Edward has already removed the wiring harness from the motor and the ECU, and he's positioning the jack stands in all different places so that way we can lower the motor as safe as possible and balance it so that way it doesn't tip over. So we're basically, well, Edward is basically getting this wrapped up pretty quickly, and then we should be able to drop the motor and be able to continue on with removing anything else that needs to be removed. Piece of shit. VQ35DE. I miss you, bitch.
Where are we rubbing them?
It looks like this rubber right here.
That's it, right? Yeah, just keep an eye on the top.
Yeah.
I believe the bottom would be at.
What else?
Oh, that's it.
Dun, 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 dun. Go ahead. You're good. Oh, hell yeah. You're good.
You just double tap. Everything good.
Yes, sir.
Nothing touching.
Nothing touching. You're straight. Nothing else to touch. VQ motor for sale.
Whoa, your camera was locked down.
Thank you.
Alright, that's it.
Yay! Work well done. Oh, the motor's finally out of this bitch. Amazing how small the trans is.
We're gonna put this here just for support.
What are we supporting?
Just rear end, because you don't have a motor in the car. So
Yeah.
most of the weight's in rear now.
Shit happens, right, bro?
You don't want the car to flip backwards.
Nope. Damn. Surprisingly, it's smaller than what you would expect.
Right?
Yeah. It's just wide. EQ motors are just wide, bro.
It's actually really compact.
Yeah. With the drive, though. And LOJ is saying that they can maintain that same compactness
Okay.
with the drive system.
That's what's up.
So, we'll see how it turns out. This was day one, guys. Edward at Auto Revive took all this shit out in one fucking day. Yay!
That's the easy part.
That's
That's
right.
the easy part.
That's right.